everybody, it's Stacey from Student Pulse and YXL with another 10-minute classroom booster to maximise your wellbeing for learning. Today we're looking at classroom booster number 9, card types and your teacher, which is a way to make you feel more confident and able to ask for help from your teachers, one of the big 4 factors in your wellbeing for learning. Here's why. Your scorecard has shown that you guys want a hand in asking for help from your teachers, and perhaps you'd even like the relationship with your teachers to improve a little bit so you can feel more confident in asking for help. Well, remember the card communication model? It helps us understand the different personality types people have and helps us talk to them in a way that best suits them. When we take into account people's different communication styles, we are way more likely to be able to talk to them effectively and then achieve the results we want. And good communication is important, guys. When communication is effective, both students and teachers benefit. Learning is easier, you're more likely to achieve your goals, opportunities for expanded learning is increased, and overall it creates a positive experience for both you and your teacher. Who doesn't want that? You're going to achieve this through an individual reflection and deciding what communication styles one of your teachers is using one of the best tools around, a See, Think, Wonder. So listen up, because this is how it's going to work. We're taking 10 minutes only. Step 1, you're going to take 1 minute only to jot down one teacher that you need help from. If you're having trouble with maths, write your maths teacher's name down. If you want to improve in humanities, write that teacher's name down. Your teacher is going to press pause for 1 minute now. Got one teacher's name down? Awesome. Now I'm going to show you an awesome way to reflect on your teacher's personality types using the card communication model. It's called a See, Think, Wonder, and it's a great way to reflect on and unpack any content independently. Basically, it asks you to jot down what you see and what that makes you think and wonder. So I'll quickly get you to draw up the following table. Your teacher will pause the video now, just so you can get that done. Got your See, Think, Wonder table drawn out? Great. Now we're going to take 3 minutes to write down what sort of communication behaviours you see your teacher display. Do they talk about their feelings or seem like they really care about yours? Is everyone feeling good and getting on really important to them? Or do they let you know about details and dates and how to do things? Are they ultra organised? Do they talk about ideas and concepts and not always keep on track? Or does your teacher just talk about whatever it is you need to know and do to get your assessment or learning goal done? You're going to jot down the behaviours you see from your teacher in the See column. Your teacher is going to pause the video for 3 minutes now. Got your See column filled out? Awesome. Next, we're going to look at the communication behaviours you've identified, and using the card communication model, you're going to think about what each behaviour might mean about your teacher's communication style and what colours suit them best. Now remember, people usually have 2 main colours that apply to them, so it's totally okay if you end up with 2 colours. For example, my teacher talks about her feelings and seems like she really cares about how the class feels. Looking at the card model, that makes me think that she's red, relational. She also loves to talk about big ideas and loves to imagine things and encourages us to do the same. This makes me think that she is a yellow. Your teacher might really value accuracy, wants to get things done and dusted, loves facts and research. Looking at the card model, you might think that they might be a blue, an action person. Your teacher might also love to talk about the details of things, is ultra organised and breaks things down into lists, etc. When you look at the card model, you might think that they're a green, a details person. So, take 3 minutes now, look at the See column, review the card communication model, and write down what the 2 main communication you think your teacher has. Got your Think column filled out? Awesome. Time for the last step. You're going to complete the Wonder column. You're going to wonder about how this information about your teacher can be used to communicate more effectively. For example, I've decided that my teacher is a red and yellow. She loves jokes, so do I. I'm wondering if I make an effort to tell an appropriate joke every now and then at the appropriate time, would that improve our relationship? I wonder if I approached my teacher and told her how I'm feeling about the content, if that would help us communicate more effectively. Something like, I'm a bit confused about this chapter in the book and would feel so relieved if I could understand how the themes relate to each other. Whereas if you had a teacher who was a blue and a green, before you ask for help, maybe take some action yourself first and see if that improves your communication. Something like, I'm stuck on questions 3 and 6. I've tried to solve them like this, but still can't get the answer right. Can you help? So just spend 3 minutes wondering and writing down how this information might help you and your teacher communicate better and even improve your relationship. Put an asterisk next to the one you're definitely going to try. Your teacher is going to pause the video now for 3 minutes. So that was Classroom Booster number 9. Well done, guys. I'll see you next time when you're working on your well-being for learning. See ya.